Security, report! What is going?
Incoming transmission.
What?
Hello, Obadiah.
Blizzard, do you have the ore?
Oh, I've got something for you, all right.
Oh man, we're in big trouble.
There you are. I destroyed the ore stain, and it's gone, just like your daughter's gonna be. Do you hear me? She's done. Say something. You. No, that's not possible.
All you did was slow me down. Stain, get out of here. Mask?
I don't know who you are, but what? Huh?
Computer! Identify!
Logic error. Identification failure. Both subjects are Donnie Gill, aka Blizzard.
There's only one Blizzard.
What in the name of...
Stain! Get out of here now!
What's going on here?